Hello guys and welcome to How To tutorial. So today in this video, I will show you guys how to sign in AAA Insurance account on your PC. American Automobile Association is a federation of motor clubs throughout North America, offering a range of services to its members, including insurance for various aspects of life: auto, home, renters, life, and more. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser that you want, and on the search tab, type www.aaa.com and enter. You will be redirected to this page. Give your home zip or postal code, and with this you will get full advantage of your local clubs. And after you provide your code, click on this go button right here. You will be redirected to the login site. On the right top corner, you can see register or login drop down option. Click on it and click on login link. A login interface will appear on your display. If you are not a member yet, then scroll down a little and you can see this not a member join link here. Click it and you will have to go through the process to be a member. Now enter your username, password. If you in case have forgotten your login credentials, you can also recover them by clicking on the forgot username or password link. If you do not have any account, then you can create one by clicking on this create an account link here. After you fill up all the information, click on login button right here. You should be able to access your AAA insurance account. You can view policy details, make payments, update your contact information, and perform other account related actions. And please note that the sign-in portal may slightly vary according to your zip code or your postal code that you provide. So this was it for today, guys. I hope you all guys really liked the video and find the video helpful. If you guys find the video helpful, then do not forget to like and subscribe the channel. Also hit the bell icon to get more updates.